to be making flags for the amazing city of Daytona. So, vote. Type in the comments flag number 1 if you just type Ocean Paradise if you think this should be the new flag at Daytona if it already has one. Now, next up is flag 2. Okay, here's flag number 2. Search up comment beach from above if you think this should be the new flag at Daytona. And finally, flag number 3. See that gray rectangle over there? That is actually the racetrack. The yellow over here means the beach and the green over here is the grass. Comment race by the beach if you think this should be the new flag for, guess what? Daytona. Then those are 3 suggested flags. So, bye.